What if I told you there's a compact SUV that looks premium, comes packed with modern technology, delivers impressive fuel economy, and costs much less than many popular rivals? It may not be a familiar name to most American buyers, but it's making a strong impression in global markets. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 ROEWE RX5 Plus 1.5 liters to find out whether this stylish SUV deserves a place on your radar. Welcome back to Smart Car Picks, your destination for honest car reviews and smart buying advice. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because we cover the latest vehicles from around the world and help you decide which ones are truly worth your money. The ROEWE RX5 Plus is built by SAIC Motor, one of China's largest and most experienced automotive manufacturers. Over the past few years, Chinese automakers have made huge improvements in design, technology, quality, and safety. The 2026 ROEWE RX5 Plus is another example of that progress. Although this SUV isn't officially available in the United States, many car enthusiasts are curious about how it compares with popular models like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Hyundai Tucson. So let's dive in and see what makes this SUV so interesting. The first thing you'll notice is its bold and modern exterior styling. The front end features a large black mesh grille that blends smoothly into slim LED headlights, giving the SUV a wide, confident stance. The LED daytime running lights create a premium appearance, while the sculpted hood and sporty front bumper make the RX5 Plus look much more expensive than its price suggests. Moving to the side, the clean body lines give the vehicle a sleek profile. Stylish alloy wheels, black trim around the windows, and chrome accents add to its upscale appearance. The proportions are well balanced, making it look athletic without being overly aggressive. At the rear, you'll find a full-width LED light bar connecting the taillights, giving the SUV a modern look, especially at night. A roof spoiler, sporty bumper, and dual exhaust style trim complete the design. Overall, the RX5 Plus looks fresh, premium, and distinctive enough to stand out in a crowded parking lot. Step inside, and you'll quickly realize that the cabin is one of this SUV's biggest strengths. The dashboard has a clean and uncluttered design with soft touch materials covering many of the surfaces. The overall fit and finish are surprisingly impressive for this class. In front of the driver is a fully digital instrument cluster, while the center of the dashboard is dominated by a large 14.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The display is sharp, responsive, and easy to use. Depending on the market, it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, wireless smartphone charging, and built-in navigation. Higher trim levels also include a panoramic sunroof, tower-adjustable front seats, ambient lighting, dual-zone automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, and a premium sound system. These are features that buyers usually expect to find in more expensive SUVs. Comfort is another strong point. The front seats offer excellent support for long drives, while passengers in the rear enjoy generous legroom and headroom. Families will also appreciate the spacious cargo area, which becomes even larger, and the rear seats are folded down. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a weekend road trip, or handling everyday errands, the RX5 Plus offers a comfortable and practical cabin. Under the hood, the 2026 ROEWE RX5 Plus is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder gasoline engine. It produces approximately 188 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. On paper, those numbers are competitive with many compact SUVs currently on the market. In everyday driving, the engine feels responsive thanks to its strong low-end torque. Acceleration is smooth, making highway merging and overtaking slower traffic feel effortless. The dual-clutch transmission shifts quickly and efficiently, although it may occasionally feel slightly less refined than a traditional automatic during slow stop-and-go traffic. The steering is light, making city driving and parking simple, while the suspension is tuned primarily for comfort. It absorbs bumps and rough pavement well, providing a relaxed driving experience for both the driver and passengers. While it isn't designed for aggressive cornering or serious off-road adventures, it performs exactly as most compact SUV buyers expect during everyday use. Another area where the RX5 Plus shines is fuel economy. Thanks to its efficient turbocharged engine and quick-shifting transmission, drivers can expect around 30 to 35 miles per gallon combined, depending on driving style and road conditions. That's an excellent figure for a gasoline-powered compact SUV and makes the RX5 Plus an attractive option for buyers who want lower fuel costs without moving to a hybrid. Safety has become a major priority for modern SUV buyers, and the ROEWE RX5 Plus comes equipped with a wide range of advanced driver assistance systems. Depending on the trim level, available features include automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, front and rear parking sensors, and a 360-degree surround view camera, electronic stability control, multiple airbags, and a reinforced body structure further enhance occupant protection, giving drivers greater confidence behind the wheel. When it comes to reliability, ROEWE benefits from being part of SAIC Motor, one of the largest automobile manufacturers in China. Early owner reports from international markets have generally been positive, with many praising the vehicle's build quality, comfort, and modern technology. Routine maintenance costs are also expected to remain affordable in countries where the SUV is officially sold, thanks to its relatively simple turbocharged engine and competitive parts pricing. However, it's important to remember that the RX5 Plus is not officially sold in the United States. That means American buyers would currently face challenges related to dealer availability, replacement parts, warranty support, and long-term servicing. If ROEWE eventually enters the US market, these concerns would likely become much less significant. One of the biggest strengths of the RX5 Plus is its excellent value for money. Buyers get a stylish exterior, a premium-looking interior, strong performance, impressive fuel economy, generous safety technology, and a long list of comfort features at a competitive price. It offers the kind of equipment that often requires operating to much higher trim levels on many established competitors. Of course, there are a few compromises. Brand recognition outside China remains limited, resale value is still uncertain compared with Japanese and Korean rivals, and the dual-clutch transmission may not appeal to every driver. The absence of widespread dealer support in North America also remains its biggest disadvantage for American buyers when compared with the Toyota RAV4. The ROEWE RX5 Plus delivers more technology and a more upscale interior for the money. However, Toyota continues to lead in long-term reliability, resale value, and dealership support against the Honda CR-V. The RX5 Plus offers comparable passenger space and stronger standard equipment, while Honda still maintains an advantage in refinement and proven dependability. Compared with the Hyundai Tucson, the RX5 Plus matches bold styling and advanced technology, but Hyundai provides a stronger warranty, broader service network, and greater long-term ownership confidence. At the end of the day, the 2026 ROEWE RX5 Plus proves just how far Chinese automakers have come. It combines attractive styling, a comfortable and well-equipped interior, solid turbocharged performance, competitive fuel economy, and modern safety technology into one impressive package. While it isn't yet a practical choice for American buyers because of its limited availability, it clearly demonstrates that emerging global brands are becoming serious competitors in the compact SUV segment. If ROEWE expands into more international markets in the future, the RX5 Plus could become a genuine alternative to many of today's best-selling compact SUVs. So, what do you think about the 2026 ROEWE RX5 Plus? Would you consider buying one over a Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, or Hyundai Tucson if it became available in the United States? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Smart Car Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.